Hello friends and welcome to the Architecture Enthusiast. The Lovell House, also known as the Lovell House, designed by Richard Neutra and completed in 1929, is an exemplar of international-style architecture nestled in the hills of Los Angeles. This iconic structure is celebrated not only for its architectural innovation but also for its integration of health and lifestyle, embodying the forward-thinking ideals of its era. As one approaches the Lovell House, the first element that captures attention is its dramatic steel frame construction, a revolutionary technique at the time, which allowed Neutra to create a series of floating terraces and extensive glass walls. This use of glass, which wraps around the corners of the house, dissolves the barriers between the interior and the lush surroundings, offering panoramic views over Los Angeles and fostering a profound connection with the natural environment. The exterior of the house is characterized by its sleek, white facades, a stark contrast to the rugged hillside it inhabits. Neutra's design makes use of flat roofs and cantilevered decks, enhancing the building's geometric clarity and providing dynamic outdoor living spaces that seem to extend directly from the interior. This seamless flow between inside and outside is crucial to the experiential quality of the house, emphasizing the therapeutic virtues of sun, air, and light, which were central to Neutra's philosophy. Upon entering, one is greeted by a space that feels at once expansive and intimate, with interiors that follow a strict functional logic yet are sensitively attuned to human scale and comfort. The living areas are not just rooms but a series of interlinked spaces designed to promote a healthy, modern lifestyle. The floors are connected by short flights of stairs, enhancing the sense of openness and fluidity throughout the home. Critics and architects alike have praised the Lovell House for its architectural audacity and its holistic approach to the well-being of its inhabitants. Renowned architectural critic Paul Goldberger described the house as a landmark of modern architecture, where Neutra's use of industrial materials achieves a delicate balance with the human need for natural beauty and comfort. However, the house has not been without its criticisms. Some have pointed out that the large expanses of glass, while visually stunning, create practical challenges in terms of privacy and thermal comfort. Architect and critic Robert Venturi once critiqued the home's stark modernism, suggesting that its rigorous adherence to function and form sometimes comes at the expense of the complexities and contradictions that enrich daily life. Inside, Neutra's attention to detail is evident in the custom-built furnishings and built-in units, which maximize space and enhance functionality. The dining and living areas, equipped with specially designed lighting and sound systems, reflect Neutra's commitment to creating an environment that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also psychologically comforting. The Lovell House was also among the first to use gunite for its walls, a technique borrowed from commercial construction, which allowed Neutra to mold the house to his precise specifications. This innovative use of materials was not just a stylistic choice but a reflection of Neutra's belief in the role of architecture in shaping human health and happiness. Professor Emily Thompson, an expert in modernist architecture, has noted that Neutra's Lovell House remains a critical study in how architecture can transcend mere building to become a catalyst for health and modern living. It challenges us to rethink our relationship with our environment. As one leaves the Lovell House, the lasting impression is of a place deeply connected to its site and its era, a bold experiment in living well through design. The house is more than a structure, it is a manifesto of modern living, articulating a vision where architecture serves not only aesthetic and functional purposes but also embraces a holistic concept of health and environmental integration. Despite its critiques, the Lovell House continues to be celebrated as a pioneering work that has shaped the trajectory of modern architecture.